Set the model cell to on, series resistance off, membrane resistance to 10 kΩ. Start in normal gain-only mode with the gain potentiometer at a very low setting. Then switch the mode of operation to VC voltage clamp. We apply a square pulse of 200 mV for 50 milliseconds. Increase gain until you see a slight overshoot. Careful, too much gain will lead to oscillations. Note here that the pulse is only about 180 mV instead of the set 200 mV. This is normal in gain-only mode. Now switch to slow integration mode. Note that the signal immediately rises to 200 mV. Dial up the integration potentiometer until a visible overshoot appears. For the next test, set the series resistance at the model cell to on. Set the amplifier to fast series resistance compensation. Start with a very low value. Careful, overcompensation will lead to oscillations. Dial up the potentiometer slowly until the signal appears as square as possible with a slight overshoot.